Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Starstruck. It's been a while since I've been on, but if you were around on planet Earth about December 19th, 2021, right in that time frame, you'd have heard a lot of talk about what's called a conjunction. And this one was between Jupiter and Saturn, and it's something we won't see again for who knows how long, at least 20 years. Now, the picture started out looking like this, and it's kind of an impossible picture to shoot because if you set your exposure long enough to get those 5 moons that you see there from Jupiter, then you blow out Jupiter and Saturn. So it's kind of an impossible picture to shoot. So as soon as I say that, people say, well, how did you shoot it? Well, I shot Jupiter first, and of course this is enhanced and blown up a little bit, and got it in focus. In fact, I think I stacked about 10 of these together. And then I turned around and did the same thing with Saturn and enhanced it a little bit. Of course, it won't be this large when I put it in the picture. And then I took the original picture as blown out as it was and put it in GIMP. And then I replaced Jupiter and Saturn in their proper positions and ended up with a picture that looks like this. So this would have been taken the night of December 19th. The 20th, it was too cloudy. I didn't get a picture. The 21st was the actual conjunction, but it was on the other side of the Earth. And then I took the same thing on the 22nd, and Saturn had moved off to the right and was just as far to the right then as it is to the left here. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this work. I know I had a good time doing it, and as time goes on, we're going to get back outside now with our new cameras and start shooting some deep space stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.